A formula is how you make calculations in Excel, and they always start with an equal sign where you want the result. Then add the location of the cells to add using the plus sign. Select Enter to see the total. That's a very manual way to do it. Let's use a shortcut, a function. Select the cell where you want the sum total. Equals. Then type a function. For example, sum for adding numbers. To select the range of cells, start with a left parenthesis. Instead of typing, select the first cell you want added and drag to the last cell. Enter. You see the total, but also notice the formula in the bar above, the sum of all cells B2 through G2. Anytime there's a formula, you can copy it to another column or row. Rest your cursor on the lower right corner of the cell until it becomes a cross. Then select and drag. The formula adjusts to each row for a quick total. This is just the first step in formulas. You can find a lot more help, including our tutorial, in the File menu.